Hello and welcome back to another video. We will discuss the uninstall methods today, which is different from the deactivation hook. The uninstall method is when a user deletes the plugin from their site by performing the delete action from the dashboard, which removes the plugin and its file completely from their website. There are specific ways to handle this task during the plugin uninstall process, allowing us to clean up or perform any necessary actions before the plugin is fully removed. For example, if our plugin creates a custom database table or stores specific plugin settings in the database, we may want to remove the data during the uninstall process. If developers don't handle this and simply delete the plugin, any data created or inserted by the plugin could become orphaned. This data would remain on the user site indefinitely unused and would be taking up space unless the user or a developer manually deletes it. That's why it's a good practice to implement an uninstall method. This allows us to prompt users with an option to delete the associated data when they uninstall the plugin, ensuring a cleaner removal process. If the user selects the option to delete the associated data, we can use the uninstall method to remove that data whenever the plugin is deleted. There are two ways to implement the uninstall method: the uninstall hook and the uninstall.php file. Both ways offer different ways to execute functions when the plugin is being deleted. Just like the activation and deactivation hooks, the uninstall hook allows us to run specific functions when the plugin is uninstalled using the register uninstall hook function. The register uninstall hook function will run whenever the plugin is deleted. Let's check out the register uninstall hook function in the code editor. In my main plugin file, let's create a function and name it MLB uninstall hook callback. You can add the custom functionality to delete the custom database tables or plugin settings stored in the database. I'll be adding a comment for now. Add cleanup functionality to run on plugin uninstall. Let's add the register uninstall hook function and change the callback name to MLB uninstall hook callback. During the uninstallation process, this function will be executed to perform the cleanup task specified by the developer. The second method is to create an uninstall.php file. So I'll create a separate uninstall.php file and add a header indicating its purpose to perform uninstall functionality. In the uninstall.php file, we need to check if the constant wp uninstall plugin is defined. This is crucial because since uninstall.php is a separate file, we want to prevent accidental data deletion if this file is included directly. To avoid this, we can define this constant in the uninstall.php file. The deletion code will only execute if this constant is defined. I am following WordPress coding standards, ensuring proper spacing and formatting. If this file is called directly and the constant is not defined, the script will exit without performing any actions, which protects user data. As I mentioned earlier, in the uninstall method, you can delete options, drop tables, and can perform various cleanup tasks. So we have two uninstall methods, the hook and the uninstall.php file. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Jai WordPress!